You've been assigned the task of profile backlinks. On behalf of your employer, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to complete this task. In the right sidebar, you should see links to download a PDF file or several PDF files containing directions on how to obtain the profile backlinks. Here's what one of the PDF files would look like. You'll see each packet contains specific instructions for 50 different websites. Your task is to use one of the personas that's available to the right and build backlinks using the backlink information to the right as well, using all 50 of these websites. So for example, for this first one, it gives us step-by-step what we need to do for each of the websites. Each website is slightly different, so you just need to pay specific instructions to the steps listed. So for 23hq.com, we need to register for an account. Once we do that, we click on the username, we add a story, we click on add a new story, we enter the title, then we can enter a signature code into the content and finish, and then once we've done, we can then copy the URL and we save that to a text file we're going to create, and we're going to name that text file profile urls.txt. Now you can see every website's a little bit different, so you need to be able to follow the steps in this PDF file for each of the 50 websites. Now these profile links can be used, one persona can be used for each website. So if I were to ask you to build backlinks to one website using 5 personas, you could run this 5 times to the same website using 5 different personas. If you're asked to run the profile links to 5 different websites, again, you need to use 5 different personas for each time you do this. So every time you go through and you create backlinks on these 50 different properties, you always need to be using a different persona. And after you've created the backlink, it's very important that you save the full path URL of where the actual backlink is showing up on the page to the profile urls.txt file. Please pay attention to the right sidebar, because each month there will be new packets that come available, so there will be changes, new websites that are available to build the profile backlinks. Once you've completed this task, you need to submit a report with the title, I have created and submitted to this many profiles for this keyword. I created profiles on this many websites and added profile links. The profile urls.txt file has been uploaded to the Dropbox. Once you've submitted your report, you've completed this task and you can move on to your next task.